everyone, welcome to my video, and today I will be showing to you or explaining to you my output in software design. So we were tasked to create a calculator, so it's up to us if we will choose the basic one or the scientific calculator. So as you are seeing right now in the screen is a scientific calculator. So we are using the Visual Basic, but the IDE that I'm using is the Visual Studio 2012. So to simply demo my output, so let's just try if this calculator will work. So let's try the addition button. So if we input 6 plus 3, so that would be 9. So the result is 9. So let's try the clear button. So it will clear. Let's try the subtraction. So if we try 9 minus 8, so that would be 1. So we can say that it is 1. So if we will clear it, let's try the multiplication. So if we input 5 multiplied by 5, that would be 25. So we can see that it is accurate, then clear. Let's try the division. If we divide 9 by 3, so we got 3. So we can say that it is accurate. So let's try another function. Let's try the decimal. So the decimal for 9, so that would be 0.009. So if you will multiply it by 6, so we get 0.54. So that's it. And then let's try the decimal. So if we have 5 plus 0.5, we will get 5.5. So that's the basic operators here, or the buttons. So let's try the trigonometric since we are using the scientific calculator. So if we try 2 sine, so that's the result, 0.0349. And then let's try the other one. Let's try the square root. So if we will square 25, so that would be what, 5. So 5, we get the 5. So this is just simply an illustration or the result of my output in software design. So to explain the code, let me just open my Visual Studio 2012. So this is the IDE that I'm using. It would be appropriate if we will use the updated one, but we are advised to use the lower version, which is the 2012. So let me just close this window and let's try. So let's wait for a while the Visual Basic is running my code and at the same time my form. So to explain the code, let me just open my form.vb since I named it form1.vb. So as you can see in the upper side is the public class. So in this section I declared the registers, which is the first num, second num, operations, and the operator selectors, which is represented as boolean. So this is just a simple illustration of the codes here. So as you all know, the numbers from 1 to 9, it is represented as the first num. So that's it. And here as you are seeing the screen and I'm pointing on it is the code for every button. So as you can see, 1, 2, so this will end up to 0 since 1 to 0. We are not using 2 digits in calculator, we are using only 1, so 0. And then for the operators, for the code of operators, so this is the code for operators. So for the addition operator, for the subtraction operator, for the multiplication operator, and for the division operator. And as you can see here in this section, which is the button 17, click. So this is the code for the equals button. So if we will check it, so let's try if that code is really connected to the equal sign. So if we will click equal sign, so we will be led into this section. So therefore we can say that this code is connected to the equal sign. So as you all know, since we are using scientific calculator, so we are simply using the formula for every trigonometric identities. So what I mean is that for every, like for example, the sine, cosine, for the tangent, so on. So that's the trigonometry. So there's equivalent formula in each code. So that's the basic one, and that's it. So code, and then we implement also the case. So if else, so it's very applicable if we will use the if else, because since we are using the input value, and if we will type the formula. So that's the functions for the buttons for the trigonometric. So I hope you understand, and I hope you learn in this simple video for the brief explanations of my output. So thank you, and God bless, and thanks for watching.